What's up, y'all? It's your girl Deja, and y'all read by that title, we on vacation. I got Leah with me, so just a bunch of clips that y'all about to see of me getting ready for vacation. I got my toes done. That's why it's going to my vlog. So we went on Tony to come get us with the car, and we finna go to Walmart. Like I said, I don't know if y'all heard me on the elevator, but we finna go to Walmart and get a few things that we need. Red hair, red car. Oh, I was just saying, who that girl is right there? That's
I better get them something for we hit the room. For we hit the room,
man, it's over with once we get in that room.
Look, anybody in Panama got a stamp, holler.
So,
I just seen your snap.
He said, oh.
I can't deny that.
I came and got my 3 items I need, so I got some deodorant. I got soap, but I also brought this soap because I like it. But I think I want to get this soap that my sister got. I think I'm going to go back and get this. But I heard Johnson & Johnson give you counsel.
We don't give a
My big sister, y'all. She get on my nerves. You ain't my uncle. You my nephew, y'all. This my nephew.
I'm the nephew. I'm the uncle.
Y'all, I can't believe my uncle or granddad.
I'm granddaddy, baby. I was screwing. Let me have him.
Come on. Stop hitting me, my boy. These.
No.
What? This? The what? The pants?
The bottom.
Oh, that shirt? That fish? I ain't know what you were saying. I'm sorry. I got it. Say good job.
What boot is?
Hold it like that. Hey y'all, so this is our room. Cute little bathtub. I look crazy right now. This is the living area. And then we got the balcony. It's a little place where we can sit down and eat. I just hit my toes. You don't want to be in the video, you might want to move. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to take a shower. I'm about to take an everything shower because we've been on the road all day. I've been asleep the whole trip. And yeah, I just need to get myself together. I'm gonna fix my edges up tomorrow or probably later tonight. But right now, I'm finna just go on the balcony and I hate when they be on in the background. Come take a shower with me.
It's that bird in the VIP line with the beat time and the East run. She drive a Nissan and she in a Beamer. I don't want her, cause she from the corner. And I heard that Beamer was alone.
So, first night, we up at 2:35 a.m. making, y'all don't know nothing about this, right? Quick, late night snack. I definitely want a freezer like that when I get my apartment. Like a below freezer.
You gotta be at the end.
But
Okay, I'll say 2 because ain't nobody saying nothing to
I'm 15. How
You
old are
15?
Yes.
Say why she recorded. You did? Why you not recording?
Why my camera was there?
You wanna get some bacon and
You such a light skin, don't you?
I want milk.
TV now.
Get them one piece back. Two. Get that in there.
She just know.
You like the party already?
Me? Let's go for the scenery.
I gotta sneeze. They said you should come here.
I'm the cameraman.
Go sit down.
He right here. Move. She said, "Come on, fella."
Get your camera back. I was the cameraman for a little bit.
You was the cameraman for a little bit. You recording me still.
You better do nothing. I'm just gonna be You gonna fall right there. I mean, you my
Yeah, that means you want to fix my play next. Cause you said that. And who the way? Yeah, it's gonna be on the screen. I'm boo, I'm gonna post it. You gonna see, I ain't even gotta talk about it. I'ma just do it. So we finna get ready to go to the beach, the pool, and then go on the strip. It's between some of these outfits. So I think I'm gonna pick a swimsuit outfit for sure. So this out of the picture. This outfit out of the picture. Because we're going to the beach and stuff. I'm not wearing this one. Do you wanna be?
Cause she from the corner, and I heard that Beamer was a loner. Her old man the owner, and I don't even drink Coronas. What type of drink you want? I'm champagne forever, I'm dirty straight together. You come sit with me, if you like to change the weather. If you wanna live better, we can buy a grill whatever. Don't get too thirsty, get used to the cheddar. I wanna tell the world about you just so they can get jealous. And if you see her before I do, tell I wish that I've been turn on the light. I'm looking forward to I heard she keep her promises.
Yes, he can. He right here.
Don't put it here. Hey, burn it.
Stop, nasty. That's dirty water. He talking about some licking the water. Yeah, man. Do it feel like y'all like moving? Still trying to tan, ain't it?
What you need you are now. That shit hard,
We finna go. I'm finna go get me a drink from Pineapple. Yep. We walking back to the room. We finna put off some clothes and go to the strip. Well, we finna go eat first, then go to the strip. So we just got done getting ready, y'all. I got on this little outfit. My mama got on this new outfit. She looks super cute, super tea.
We don't care who don't do it.
Do it, baby. Do it, baby. Do it. I don't think it's that.
Roll Tide, baby.
Yeah, baby, roll tide.
Too high. How is?
So you can help, because your lip gloss right here. Well, mama.
Italian ice. Let's get a sample of it, y'all. Let's see how it is. Ooh, ooh.
That was good.
Cotton candy, that shit.
You ready?
about 100% tasty. They know they don't taste like no damn burger. Bitch, they got bacon gummies. Mac and cheese gummies. This disgusting. Lunchable fucking gummies. This shit going too far. This is crazy. Bitch, don't remember these? Yeah. She eating a dolphin.
It's a shark.
Oh. So she eating a little lobster. Damn. Let me bite it. Right. So we're approaching the end of my vlog. I really hope that y'all enjoyed this vlog, and it'll be way more vlogs coming soon. Like, I'm back, and I'm back for good. This is just the end of everything that we did. I lost a lot of footage, but I really feel like that this was a good vlog. This is just the last night. We just had a seafood boil, some lamb chops and mashed potatoes, and that was it. We finished up our trip and we're home the next morning. Bye.